Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now.
Hello Lux Squad, welcome back to Her Home Is, and today's video is sponsored by ASOKO lighting. Now my package came in like this, but here's ASOKO's website. I will include their website link, and also they sell on Amazon. I will put that information down in the description box. But this is just an overview of their website, you guys. They've been doing lighting for 7 years. They do under cabinet lighting, outdoor lighting, light bulbs. Listen, when it comes to lighting, this is the brand to use, you guys. And you know, here in my home, I don't have recessed lighting or under cabinet lighting in as of yet, so I opted to use these lights here. And you guys, they do have these lights in different color settings as well. And I'm just letting you see some of the styles, you guys, that they do have in right now. Make sure you do click that link down in my description box so that you can pick up you some of the amazing LED lights right now. They have 5 years experience, flexible delivery, and also to guys, they do deliver with UPS. You can get customer service response within 24 hours, so you guys do make sure you check them out. I'm going to also let you see what right now currently that the new release items that they do have in, you guys. I'm telling you, for your home, you will be amazed at these products. So here's the under cabinet lighting. They also have the plug-in kind as well, and here are those 4,000 lumen LED bulbs as well, and they do have daylight and warm white color as well. Once again, that link is in the description, and also the link that I did for the item that I do have is down in the description as well. Y'all, please forgive me. I didn't realize my camera had whitewashed my images out, but my package did come like this, and I took it out the package, and I'm going to let you see the use of the lights. It did come with instructions, you guys, and it also came with a little thank you card. They do include in this package, you guys, this package came with 3 of that 12-inch, and these are the larger under cabinet lights. It did come with a total of 8 of the metal clips, so you will have like 4 extra ones that you can use in case you mess up, for you to be able to mount it. It came with 3 plugs, you guys. You heard me right. They did send a plug for each of the lamp lights, so it was a total of 3 plugs. But let me let you see how this light looks. Now you guys, these lights, and I have used under cabinet lights before, but this light is ultra sleek in design. I'm telling you guys, it was gorgeous. Now to me, by far, I've tried several ones, but this one here is actually my favorite. You guys, you can put this light in a space and the eyes does not catch the attention of the light sitting in a space. So make sure you do snag you some of them. I'll just letting you see the light settings here. Also on the back, you will see where the magnetic strips are catching. You see how ultra thin they are, you guys. I do use my lightings for on the motion sensor setting, because they have off, motion censored, and on. So if you desire just to leave your light steady on for a while, you do got that option as well. Now I'm going to take all 3 of them out the box. These all 3 was just the same. Once again, they were about 12 inches in length. And you guys, and when I say the light on these, and I do prefer at times to mostly use the daylight light setting, but for where I'm placing them and using them for this Christmas season, I opted to use the warm white, so it can actually blend and go better with my decor. But these are 3 of the lights, and now you guys, we are going to install the lights. Now once again, you see how ultra sleek and how bright they are. You guys, when they come, they were charged, but I did plug it in and it was really still a full charge. But we're going to just place these lights under my cabinet, and as you can see here, this one is lit up already. Up under that cabinet, we're going to place it up under the other side so you can get a full view. And you see here, you guys, when I say, do you see the magnitude of the light? Now I'm going to show you a clip here in a second of what it looks like without those under cabinet lights on, as opposed when they do pop on. Once again, ASOKO, thank you for reaching out to me to sponsor this video. And you guys, if you're trying to light up your life or bring more light into your home, make sure you do check out ASOKO. Now look guys, here is the pudding in the pot right here. You see the lights is off and you see how they automatically pick up. Look at the brightness of that, and I do love it because it's most of the time on one of the lights. When I start toward the kitchen, I got the other light, it comes on first, so it has a great distance of what it picks up. So make sure you do go over and check out ASOKO Home website and snag you some light.